Garage door tracks got you in a twist? Fixed Garage Doors has the smooth solution you need. We are all about expert garage door track replacements, ensuring your door glides with ease. Jams and jerks? Wave them goodbye. This Burbank client tangled a lawnmower into the garage door. Our expert took one look and knew. The tracks needed a total revamp. The result? A garage door that's like new at a fraction of the cost. Don't let track troubles keep you down. Call 323-364-6764 today to schedule a fix.